Hey there, and welcome to MailEditor. In this video, we'll walk through how to export your email templates to Klaviyo. Once your template is ready, click the Export button at the top and choose your platform. Here, I'm selecting Klaviyo. Give the account a name so you'll know later which one you're exporting to. Next, log in to your Klaviyo account. The first time you connect, you'll need to grant access. Once you've allowed it, your template will be exported to Klaviyo successfully. Now let's find the template inside Klaviyo. Head to your dashboard, click Content, then open the Templates menu. From here, you can edit the code or content if you need to, and preview how it looks. After that, you're all set to use it in your campaigns with ease. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.